the root of the problem. Here at MassBay, we are lucky enough to be surrounded by an area rich with natural beauty and a variety of different types of trees. Unfortunately, these trees are now facing a serious environmental threat from an invasive species of plant called the Asian bittersweet. As you can see, this prominent tree near the brick courtyard behind our school is in real trouble.
So as you can see on the image on the left, the bittersweet vine starts at the bottom and it kind of constricts itself around the tree until it reaches the top point, which then it covers the canopy, which then the tree will die from lack of nutrients. And then it leaves it more prone to wind and ice damage. And as you can see on the right, the bittersweet vine kind of clusters itself on top of itself, so then it just becomes this huge overhauling mess that's just ugly to look at.
Bittersweet is aggressive and it smothers trees. Bittersweet grows up and over the trees and blocks their access to sunlight. Doing so reduces the essential nutrients needed to keep itself alive. This inevitably will kill the tree, and it allows the bittersweet to thrive unchecked. That leads to more trees affected. Bittersweet outcompetes native species, and if not removed, will envelop the surrounding area.
There is a saying from a book we read in class that really stuck with me about life attracts life, and this idea is ecological. In nature, the presence of healthy life tends to bring more life, and the opposite is also true. When invasive species like bittersweet take over, they choke out the diversity that supports a thriving ecosystem. Outside our campus, bittersweet vines are growing up our trees and they are choking them. And also, we see how mosses are growing quietly in corners of our campus. These mosses are like silent heroes of ecological succession. They settle into bare spaces and start building a foundation for the other life to return. If we remove the bittersweet, we are giving those mosses and everything else that depends on them a better chance to grow. So when we clear the bittersweet, we are not just taking away a harmful plant, we are making room for life. So we need to have happy people here at school, and because life attracts life, it starts with us.
Charles River Watershed Association is a nonprofit group dedicated to conserving and restoring the river. As part of that work, they coordinate volunteers who remove invasive species like bittersweet from public and private lands throughout the watershed. CRWA has offered to partner with MassBay and coordinate a bittersweet removal with and for us. MassBay students, staff, faculty, and members of our broader community would all be welcome to help with the removal. It's non-toxic work, no herbicides needed, but it takes a lot of people power to cut these vines and pull the roots and clippings out and transport them away for disposal. You can see in the photo at the blue arrow that someone at some point started this kind of work on our campus on this maple tree. We want to continue where they left off. Our college administration is currently considering our proposal, and we hope to receive the go-ahead soon for a likely fall start to the project. We hope to see you out in the woods sometime as we share the work of restoring and healing our beautiful campus land. Thank you.